Hi everybody, it's Dr. Hydro here. I want to show you how I built this PVC platform for my hydroponic rails that you can use at home to support your own hydroponic rails or to use as a table. So let's take a look. 8 14-inch pieces, 12 T's, 8 2-inch pieces, 2 39-inch pieces, 8 32-inch pieces, 8 elbows, 2-inch piece and put it inside an elbow. Then take your T and put that on the other side of the 2-inch piece. Take your 14-inch piece and put it inside the elbow. Do this 8 times. Your 39-inch piece and put a T on either side. We're going to build a side. Take your 39-inch piece and attach the 14-inch piece to either side. Then take your 32-inch piece and put one on each side. And then push it down. And then turn it and push it down again. And then turn it and push it down again. Repeat for your remaining side. So you should do this entire process one more time. So now that you have 2 sides built, we're going to attach the legs. These are your 32-inch pieces and you should have 4 left. If you are a human being who makes mistakes, you might want to get yourself a couple of these couplers that can attach a few pieces together if you make a mistake in your measurements. If you're not a human being, skip ahead. Now we put the top on. And now we push it all together with our strength. And there you have it. This is going to perfectly support my rail. Now I have all this extra space to support all of my new upcoming inventions. I'm thinking of showing you guys how to make one of these cool rail systems. But anyway, that's how you make a PVC platform that you can use as a table. If you're going to use this as a table, you would put a piece of plywood or something across here to support, cups and things like that. So, all right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.